Discover elegant living in this beautifully updated ranch located in the village subdivision. This versatile yet chic floor plan features wood and tile floors, recessed lighting, pocket doors, luxury light fixtures, abundant windows, and a custom architectural design that creates an open and airy atmosphere from the moment you walk in. Featuring 1,816 square per foot of main floor living space and an additional 600 square per foot on the lower level, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a living room with a custom gas fireplace, a formal dining area, and a 32 by 12 3-seasons porch. The master chef will enjoy cooking in the updated kitchen with high-end appliances, quartz countertops, a custom tile backsplash, and large center island. Retreat to your spacious primary suite with a spa-like bath with double sinks, tile floors and custom tile shower with dual shower heads. The outdoor living area extends off the 3-season room to a private backyard, professionally landscaped and a shed for extra storage. Also featuring